good, sort of, kind of morning, midday-ish, although what I've been reading in the chat is, hello, it's 7:30 p.m., it's 8:30 p.m., it's 12:30 a.m. You're all over the world watching this, which is really amazes me still to this day. Oh boy, I can't even tell you this. I am so excited for today and kind of completely terrified as well. Welcome, this is the Coding Train. My name is Daniel Schiffman. This is a live internet show. It's not really a show. It is live, I suppose. This is the internet, where I come here every Friday to do some coding stuff. That's my tagline, coding stuff. Now, I do a lot of different topics on this channel. And soon, I know, this is a fork. Forking leads to committing. That's my GitHub joke for today. Totally inappropriate, I suppose. But what was I saying? This is working, isn't it? Yes. All right. So I do a lot of different topics. And soon when I return back into the fall, I'm going to focus on coding for the total beginner. That's what my brain has just wandered off into like a completely other place. I need something to center myself. Oh, look. It's the Coding Train. I wonder what it brought to me today. Can't actually see, but this is the Coding Train. And look, oh, whiteboard erasers. Oh. I have not used those whiteboard erasers yet. In truth, it wasn't the Coding Train, but it was some large conglomerate organization company taking over the world, of which I have an account with that rhymes with Frime. But they're not a sponsor, so I will not mention them by name. They brought it to me. The whiteboard erasers, thank you. The drone arrived. It dropped it from the sky. I was like, And so here we are. Okay, so why am I really excited about today? I'm taking a break from machine learning stuff, which I will be continuing. And I have this like recent obsession with the idea of visualizing 4 dimensions. My brain, and probably your brain, and probably just about everybody's brain, except for maybe a few small exceptions on this planet, are not equipped to think in terms of 4 dimensions. But today, somehow by the end of today, whether I have to take a break and come back however many times, I will have 4 dimensions on this computer screen for you. Now, I'll be representing 4 dimensions in 3 dimensions on a 2-dimensional screen. And I will get into all of this, how this works. Let me briefly mention video that I watched. Hold on. I think if I just Google Tesseract video, this is what I want. This is a wonderful YouTube channel called LeeIOS. Oh, I should have asked how to pronounce this. OS. Look, this video has 1.5 million views. Mine will not have that many, but it will be hopefully entertaining. I highly encourage you to check out this video, Understanding 4D, the Tesseract. I'm going to reference it again. We're also going to look at the Wikipedia page, I think, for Hypercube. This I need. Here, no, this is interesting. Tesseract perspective projections. This is not what I was looking for. Oh, maybe this is it. Ooh. Oh, I like this. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Tesseract. We're going to go to 5? We're going to go to 5? No. All right, so I'm going to talk through all this stuff. This is not what I'm looking for, though. Let's look for the Tesseract page. This is me, unfortunately, not ready. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. Close enough. All right. Okay, so these are 2 pages. Now, I'm going to use processing for this. And before I begin, I need a function to do matrix multiplication. So, now, supposedly, matrix multiplication. Do I need to make a video about matrix multiplication? Let's Google matrix multiplication coding train. Aha! Part 2, part 3, part 4. What do we think it's in? Let's look at this one. Let's see what's in this video. That's plus. I'm doing matrix operations. I just want to know, where do I talk about matrix multiplication? Not in this video, it doesn't look like. Let's go to the next one. Oh boy, what happened there? Wilderness Dan's here. Okay. Oh boy, what's going on here? Randomize. I'm just going to do this again. Updating code. Oh, right, I took a break. I forgot I took a long break in between these videos. And this is me just next video. When I came back. Okay, I'm just going to do this again. So the first thing we're going to do is, actually, I had this sort of idea. Let me mention something. Let me. Where was that comment? Somebody asked a really interesting question. Yeah, okay. I wanted to, hold on a sec. I'm going for the image classification with MobileNet. I'm looking for a particular question that was asked here. Yes, okay. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick Q&A video where I'm going to answer this question because it's important. So let me try this. Let me just get the code going for it. I really should start on the Tesseract stuff. But this is just a warm-up here, all right? ML5 videos. Actually, you know what? We don't need to do this. All right. I'm going to find, hold on a sec. Oh, I do need to update processing. Thank you. I'm not, all right. This is really ridiculous what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it anyway to make a point, which I think is useful. Can you hear me? I see my mic is going, and yet I see nothing. Yeah, back, but a black screen, right? But can you hear me? I've entered the fourth dimension. That is weird. Why is all of my stuff not showing up? Oh, nothing shows up. That's weird. Okay, hold on. What is going on? Oh dear. I'm going to quit OBS. Okay, now I'm back. It's so sad. I need sad music. I don't have sad music. All I have is spooky music. It's so sad. That's the fourth dimension. That works. I want to eat some melon. It'll make me feel better. I don't want today to be a disaster. Okay. I don't know if this is worthwhile, but I thought this question was, oh, what is going on? What is going on? What happened to Chrome? This is so weird. Everything is failing. I do have a new computer coming to me. Let me get rid of this. History, restore all tabs. All right. All right, hopefully this is gonna do the trick. All right. Hello, I'm going to make a video. I used to make these Q&A videos, like if you ask a question, then I'll answer it in a video. I mean, the last time I made one of those was gotta be a year ago. But this question did come in recently about my machine learning videos about mobile, ML5 and the MobileNet model. So let me read this question. It comes in from Richard Vaughn. Love these tutorials, thanks. Just a quick question. Say you have a program or website where a user can upload their own photo to be classified by the MobileNet model. I made exactly this in a previous video tutorial, which this comment is on. A house, like the one on the ML5JS website, how safe is that? Does MobileNet or the website store a record of the image in any way after using it? For example, are user uploaded images encrypted, etc.? So let's ask this question. Now, we see this is the image classification demo that's on the home page of the ML5JS website. We can look at it, we can see, look, it labeled that image as a macaw with a confidence of 99.26. Now, here is a photo I recently took in New York City. You can try to guess where this is taken from. Beautiful view. This is my own personal private photo that I am releasing into this live stream onto the internet. And I want to see what the MobileNet model will think of it. So why not just go ahead and use the ML5JS website and drag and drop it in here. But wait, no, I'm stopping for a second. Does this mean ML5JS organization, as if there is one, now has my photo? Does the MobileNet model have my photo? Where does that photo go? Who has it now? Who can use it? Who can read the pixels? This is an excellent question. So let's go through with it and see, oh, look at this. It labeled it as a triumphal arch with a confidence of 23.19%. That didn't such a good job. I would have liked to have seen like cityscape or something like that. But as we know, the MobileNet model is not really well suited for broad image classification application. Now, we're going to see how the MobileNet model can actually be very useful in lots of other videos. But here, we now have to ask that question again. So what's interesting about working with ML5, which is built on top of TensorFlow.js, is the capability is there to process and image any data and return a result all client side. What does that mean? What that means is everything that happened in this program running behind the scenes happened on my computer, on my client, in my browser. That photo never went to any server. It never went to the server that's hosting ml5js.org. It never went to a server that's hosting the MobileNet model. Everything is happening here client side. This is different than a lot of machine learning as service types of applications where I'm a company and I'm hosting a machine learning model. I want you to send your images to me. I will process them and give you results back. Maybe I charge you a monthly fee for so many requests. That is not what's going on here. What's going on here is I went to ml5js.org, I loaded this web page, all of the JavaScript came in, and then when I drag my image in, the JavaScript runs, and all the code executes and finishes right here on this computer. Now, where's the MobileNet model? Where did it get all of those numbers and weights and settings and everything that's in this so-called MobileNet model? Well, that was also retrieved from a server. It was not retrieved from ml5js.org from another URL where the MobileNet model is hosted, but that MobileNet model was brought onto this computer and processed again in the browser itself. So everything was done client side. Now that isn't to say that building the ML5JS website, we couldn't do something where we're also like taking your image and putting it on our server. That is all possible too. So it's not like just being on the web, you drag and drop an image into a website, unless their website is being very clear and documented what's happening with your data, you're not going to know. I happen to know the programming behind this website, so I can say with some confidence that that image is not being captured at any point, but it certainly is capable of programming a website. You have the capability of capturing data that's been uploaded to that site. Okay, so hopefully that clarifies this a little bit. Let me see if there's any follow-up questions from the chat. Okay. Ooh, welcome, Mukul Kanal. All right, yeah, I'm coming to the fourth dimension. See network tab in DevTools. Ah, thank you. Can you phonetically spell your name? The person who wrote C network tab in DevTools. I can't read that particular alphabet of characters. Okay. Overmind. My whole family is watching me. Ooh, hi. Oh, there's somebody named Coding Rainbow. That's funny. Okay. Oh, we're dodging the encryption. What should I didn't talk about encryption, yes. So that's probably important. So let me go here to console. Where do I look for it? Network. Got it. So in theory, we would see, this is all the network stuff. Where would I look? I'm interested in this. Where would I look to see if it was going to a server? Anyway, hi Emilio, hi Johnny from Ireland. Uh-oh, I missed. All right, I'm going to mention two things. Excellent suggestion from the chat, which was one place I could look is in the, oh, sorry, hold on. XHR, okay. This shows how little I know what I'm talking about. Excellent suggestion from the chat. One way to see a bit more about what's happening behind the scenes is to go to the developer tools. So in this case, I'm in the Chrome browser. I can go under View, Developer, JavaScript Console, or Developer Tools. If I go to Developer Tools and I click here, I'm actually on the Network tab. This is the console that I often show in many of my videos. But here under Network, I can start to see things that the network is doing when I'm on a web page. So for example, if I refresh the page, we can see, look at this, all of this stuff. This is actually all of the fetching the model. All this crazy stuff is fetching the MobileNet model, and you can see the P5 library, the ML5 logo. If I go to XHR, well, let's just go to all for a second. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my image in there, and I'm going to put it here, and we should see, there we go. We should see now this particular image is now something that happened with the network. And if I go to XHR, it's gone. It's not there. What does XHR stand for? Timeout. XHR. XML HTTP request, of course. Ah, yes. Okay, of course. XHR stands for XML HTTP request, meaning data was transferred from the client to the server. And so let me clear this. And I'm just going to be clear about this, I'm going to drag the puffin. It shows up here, this file has done some stuff, but if I go under XHR, it's not there. It was not transferred from the server, which is very different than if I were to go to, what's an example? Sam writes, I'm unlucky with getting Dan to notice me. I noticed you, sorry. I love the name Puffin. All right. I don't know why I'm crashing so much today. I am so sorry, everybody. Must be the fourth dimension. See if this works. Oh no. Pop out chat. Sorry about this, everybody. I should be back, yes? I'm back, yes? I'm not back? Not for me yet. All right, here I should be back. Okay, am I back now? Let me see in my preview. What's an example? I'm not back? All right. Okay, let's check some stuff. Back? Back, baby? Hello? What's the chance I'm here? Okay. No? Sam writes, I'm unlucky with getting Dan to notice me. All right. Okay. Am I back? What's the chance I'm back? Not live. All right. Crap. Let me try. Okay. You will not be able to restart. All right, I'm going to create